key FDA panel meets today to assess a coronavirus vaccine for emergency use on the heels of the deadliest day yet in this pandemic. Yesterday, we recorded the loss of 3,124 lives. Researchers recently said COVID is now the leading cause of death in this country, even more than heart disease.
Our correspondents are covering all the new developments. We begin with Nikki Battiste on the vaccine story, who's at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. Nikki, are they ready?
Good morning, Anthony. Well, if the Pfizer vaccine is approved, those first shots could come within days. To prepare, Mount Sinai is turning this area used for flu shots into vaccine pods. They will also have an optional observation area here to monitor people for severe reactions after they've been vaccinated.
We'll be setting this up in a more robust and permanent way.
As early as the start of next week, Mount Sinai Hospital hopes to be able to administer up to 50 COVID vaccines every hour. Susan Mashney is the Vice President and Chief Pharmacy Officer for the Mount Sinai Health System.
With 40,000 employees, you need about 80,000 doses. How many vaccines do you expect in this first round?
So it's everybody's best guess. We hope to get in the thousands.
She says frontline workers in the ER and ICU will receive the first doses.
Folks like the nurses and the physicians, as well as people like the environmental service workers, the workers that provide food service, the transportation workers.
Once the emergency use authorization is approved, it's expected UPS will deliver the delicate vials to the eastern part of the country, while FedEx tackles the west. After the shippers pick up special cold boxes containing the vaccine from Pfizer, they'll drive to their nearest facility before flying to a distribution hub. UPS has constructed an ultra-low temperature freezer farm at its hub in Louisville. The company's command center will closely track the location and temperature of the shipments. In the UK, where vaccinations began this week, the government is now warning people who have severe allergies not to take the shots. The move comes after 2 healthcare workers who carry adrenaline shots for their allergies suffered reactions. They're recovering well. Now, U.S. officials are urging caution, saying those with severe allergies should not get the vaccine. Back at Mount Sinai, Mashney says once a dose is pulled from the freezer, it must be used within 6 hours.
Time is everything.
It is timing and time. So making certain we get people scheduled and get it going as fast as we can so that we can vaccinate as many people as possible based on how many doses that we get.
Pfizer and Moderna each say they will produce about 100 million doses, which at 2 doses per person would only vaccinate about 30% of the U.S. population. CBS News has learned Johnson & Johnson plans to submit its phase 3 vaccine trial data next month and may seek emergency use authorization in February if the vaccine is deemed safe and effective. Gail?
Nikki, thank you.